Hi guys, Briggs here from Ngbuzz.com, and here is a short video on how to change the keyboard of a Vostro 1540 Dell laptop. Let's get started. Once again, remember Dell Vostro 1540 and any other brands and models that are related to this one. So the first thing you want to get is the new keyboard. It's cheap. I got this for about 5,000, or I don't know the equivalent, Naira that is. Tools, unfortunately you just need a screwdriver. You don't need all your tool sets. And so let's just take out the battery just to be safe, because you're not going to open the laptop. Luckily, other keyboard replacement usually involve removing this, but this laptop you don't need to unscrew anything. The keyboard can be unhinged easily from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what you need to take out. Just push it in like this. I don't know if you can see that. Push it in and raise it up. You might want to hold that part so it doesn't go back in. Push this in. Push this in. This is not in. That's it. It has these edges going in this way, so just pull it out and don't raise it up. Turn it around and see where it's connected to. Raise the black rubber. Don't do it by force, just raise it a little bit up and the keyboard comes out. That's the old one. It's faulty. Some of the keys are not working. Sometimes it presses keys by itself, so we had to replace it. This is the new one. The edges first. Make sure they're well fitted before you put it down. That's all. Let me power it up and test to see that all the keys are working. I'll pause the video here so it doesn't get too long while it's booting. Okay, the system is now booted up, and a good way to test your keyboard is to open Notepad and just type all the keys to ensure that they are all functioning properly. Yep, that's it. New keyboard, Dell 1540, and any other laptops that can be in this range of products can be replaced like this. Thanks for watching. Remember, Ngbuzz.com, and my name is Briggs. Bye bye.